Hey, this is Cathal from the Gleneagle INEC Arena podcast. Just letting you know that all 6 episodes of our brand new podcast are now available online to stream. We've had some really exciting guests over the last couple of weeks, including Picture This.
All you want to hear from somebody is that they love your band.
Danny O'Reilly.
I have my dream job and I write songs and I'm just happy. I think that's as much success as anything.
Gavin James.
I have lots written now. I don't know how album worthy it is, but I have 7 of them I'm very happy with.
Keith Barry.
Because I have so many projects on the go all the time, it's regularly 18 to 20 hour days. But I don't mind that because I love what I do.
Junior Brother.
I didn't have a day job. I was like drawing the dole and stuff and with no money at all. To the point where I was like, I have no money to like pay the people who've helped me with this album.
And Nathan Carter.
I have owned about 26 cars in the last 10 years, yeah.
Now we also want to hear from you, so comment below and let us know who you want to feature on the next series of the Gleneagle INEC Arena podcast. All podcasts are now available on Spotify, Apple and Google Podcasts. Just search for the Gleneagle INEC Arena podcast. The Gleneagle INEC Arena podcast, connecting you to the artists you love.